Hey, today we're picking up with Aloha Properties for February. With this, we went through and we paid bills, we input payments, made deposits, wrote checks, as well as we also did payroll. So with this, we started, say we have a bill that comes in. So you want to go under Enter Bills. This is where you would enter in that bill that came in, and you would put the vendor's name and the date. Amount due is going to automatically give you a bill date or a bill due date. If that's incorrect, you can fix that there. And it's going to show up down here. You're going to put what type of expense it is. And then once you get to the point where you're paying your bills, you would come over here to Pay Bill. You would pick the ones that you're wanting to pay, and then you would do Pay Selected Bills. It's going to tell you the total of how much you're paying, and you're going to see your checking balance down here. And then with that, if you just have a bill that comes in that you're needing to write, just a separate check for, then you would come over here again to the write checks, and you're going to put in who it's to, check number, the date, the amount, and then you're going to do the same thing here as far as what type of expense it is. And then you're also, we had that receive payments. We did create some invoices, and we also had some credits that had to be applied. With this, you would do save and new if you have or save and close if you have a credit. Then it's going to ask you, do you want to apply those credits? And you can pick if they have $15,000 credit, but you only want to use 10. You can pick just to use that 10, and it'll still have that $5,000 credit sitting there for you. Then you come in to receive payments as you're receiving that money. And again, you're going to put who it's from, your method of payment, and then that's going to take it, and it's going to put a number here for your deposits. Once you have a deposit you need to make, you could then click the deposit, and you would click it, and it's going to make that deposit in the system for you. And then you have the pay employees. This is where you can put in and pay your employees for the month. Now remember this, since we did January, in February we had to pay the taxes. So this is here you would select your date range of when you're needing to pay taxes. And then you're going to go through and make sure all of those tax amounts are right, and then you're going to pay your taxes. And then also remember you had sales tax. We also had to go through and manage the sales tax. So for this you had to go in and do the sales tax preference, and then you would set all that up for what you were wanting to pay. And that is it. So we will see you next week for Chapter 9. Thank you.